Imagine looking up at the night sky, expecting to see our familiar silvery moon, but instead you're greeted by the glowing majesty of Jupiter, the rings of Saturn, or the reddish hue of Mars. What would our world be like if the moon were replaced by one of the other planets in our solar system? This is not just a whimsical thought experiment, it's a scenario that could dramatically reshape life on Earth. The moon plays a crucial role in stabilizing our planet's tilt, driving the tides, and even influencing the behavior of some species. But what if, by some cosmic twist of fate, our moon was swapped out with one of the other planets? Let's explore how this change could alter the Earth as we know it. If Jupiter replaced the moon, the first thing you'd notice is its sheer size. Jupiter is 318 times more massive than Earth and has a diameter over 11 times that of Earth. It would dominate the night sky, appearing nearly 40 times larger than the moon. The gravitational pull of Jupiter would wreak havoc on our planet. The tides would be unimaginably high, flooding coastal cities regularly. The strong gravitational forces might even trigger more frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Life on Earth would struggle to adapt to such extreme changes. Now imagine Saturn in place of the moon. Its iconic rings would stretch across the sky, creating a breathtaking spectacle. But with Saturn being 95 times more massive than Earth, we would face similar tidal chaos as with Jupiter. The gravitational pull from Saturn could potentially tilt Earth's axis, leading to dramatic shifts in climate and possibly rendering some regions uninhabitable. The rings might even cast a shadow on the Earth, affecting sunlight and, consequently, weather patterns and agriculture. What if Mars took the moon's place? Mars is only about half the size of Earth, so it would appear larger than the moon but not overwhelmingly so. However, the red planet's gravitational pull, though weaker than that of Jupiter or Saturn, would still affect Earth's tides. The most noticeable change would be the night sky, a brilliant red glow replacing the moon's calm silver. This shift could disrupt nocturnal animals and even affect human circadian rhythms. Mars's thin atmosphere might also result in meteor showers as it passes close by Earth, adding an element of danger to this new nightscape. If Mercury or Neptune replaced the moon, the effects would be subtler but still significant. Mercury, being smaller and closer in size to the moon, would cause less disruption but would bring extreme temperature swings due to its proximity to the sun. On the other hand, Neptune, with its distant and icy demeanor, would present a blue, ghostly visage in the sky, potentially affecting the Earth's climate with its weak but constant gravitational tug. Swapping the moon with any of the planets in our solar system would lead to dramatic, likely catastrophic changes for Earth. The moon, in its serene, silent way, maintains a delicate balance that has allowed life to flourish here. So next time you gaze up at the moon, appreciate its modesty. It may be small, but it's just right for us. If this cosmic journey intrigued you, subscribe to our channel and explore more thought-provoking scenarios. Let's continue to unravel the mysteries of our universe, one imaginative leap at a time.